Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, what the market gave us here, it gave us a very nice pin bar, guys. As you see it, that one, the market, the last video will be in here. Then I told you there is a rejection from down here. If you remember, you can find it in the last video. It's been all that red, guys. And that's what me I told you, that the candle of news. Then it came down till that level here, where we have a very stronger supply and demand. And I'll show you all those things in the last video. I told you that the only defense we still have for the Bitcoin to stay above. Now here, look with me, guys, here what I'm going to show you here, what the price action here, what you have, what we used to have here, guys, a pin bar here, yes or no? Used to have here an inside bar, guys, like that. The last video, it's been broken here. Now where it's breaking in the top, guys, as you see it. So now for people, they want to enter at 4 hours or something, they can enter long. Here in the daily, it's not yet. In the daily, it's not yet, guys. Because in the daily, I show you all those things before. But let me show it to you again. In the daily, what did I told you? I told you, if it doesn't break in here, that trend line we have here, we will not enter, guys. So here in the daily, it's still far away from it. So it's need more pushing up. We need to wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us. Till now here in the daily, it's not confirmed, guys. And here the price action we have here, as you see it, guys. Here the market, he tried to give us here a cup and handle. If it give it to us here, that means us we are going to go higher, but it's not yet. Look how many it's need to continue all those candles here. So here in the daily, guys, it's still early. As I tell it to you, always if it came a breaking for us here, guys. Here in that level, also we say it down. If it doesn't break here, we are not going to enter, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. From professional people, that the job of them, not from people they just went to Google and they bring in for you pictures, they put it for you in the screen. It's very simple. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. A red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that you will be subscribed. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let me show you my chart, what I got me. As you see it, in my chart, guys, look with me here, what we have here in that zone. As you see it, we have here that yellow level here, as we said, and we haven't break it yet. So it might from here, we're going to see another candle falling. But because tomorrow is going to come some news, guys, so that's what me I told you, it's not yet. It's need to come and to break in for us here and to break inside that long-term trend down. But that one for long-term investors, for short-term, it's need just to break for us here, guys. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into see the news which is coming tomorrow, guys. For pictures to be more clear to you. The news which is coming tomorrow, guys, look at it here. As you see it here, what we got is going to come the retail sales of USA. The previous one, it used to be 0.3%. And the forecasting for that one is 0.2%. So like that, you build in the economic reports, guys. The CPI showing going down. And tomorrow is going to come the retail sales. So even that one, you need to make a close eye at it. And here, our friend, also we watching it every day, guys. That one is our friend, guys. As you see it, as you see, the VIX, it's falling down today. We used to be 33. Now we are 31. So that's meant it's fall down a little bit. The US dollar, even the US dollar, it's falling down a little bit. We used to be 113. Now we are 112. But we are very close, as you see it here. So I need to make a close eye at those things, guys. And here, look at US stocks. Some of them, they're going up today because of the inflation that came today. But that inflation, guys, it doesn't look that great to tell you is the right time for us to enter. It's still early a little bit. And even here, the VIX, it's still very high. Also, we still 31. It's need to come at least down than 20. That's the right time for us to enter. Over here telling us a lot of people they still scared and people they still worried about what's going to happen, and winter is coming, there is a global war maybe is going to happen. So you need to make a close eye at those things, because even the macroeconomical It's affecting a lot the market. I think everything is too clear here. And here what it came today, guys. That one, the CPI. And the last video, what did I told you here? I told you it look like it's peaking here, but it need to come to break for us that last low, which is here, guys. Yes, today it's showing 8.2, and that one here, it used to be 8.3. It show it's break it a little bit, but not that much. So we'll have if it came 8 or something like that, well, that is going to be very nice. It's going to show us it's going to fall down. And as you see here, it's slowing. Let's see now the Fed how it's going to react to that, because it's going to come the interest rate, and that is going to tell us if we are going to enter, or that one, the CPI just arrested, and then it's going to go higher to break for us that last high here. So till now, you need to be careful what is going to come. Till now, nothing confirmed, guys. And even the price action is telling us nothing confirmed yet. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, I tell it to you thousands of times. In the last video used to be here, in that one, in that trend line. And look, tell where it closed, guys. That's why I told you those ones, they are just oscillators. Look at that. Now it go back to that wall here. Now either from here to go up and to break for us here, when it's going to break in here, that's the right time for us to enter long, guys. Or another scenario from here to go back to break for us, that one is going to go down till the oversold area. That's when I told you it's still very, very, very early, guys. And look here, what's still controlling is the bears. There is no bulls controlling the market, and also still in a very, very downtrend, guys, as you see it. There is nothing confirmed yet. Everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you, guys, it can't growing up. So helping us, guys. Just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It will not take you a lot. Just 1 second. Stop the video now. Smash the like button, writing down a comment, and come and continue the video. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you. That one, thousands of times we said it. We got here a divergence and all those things, guys. But we said the price action, it hasn't broken. So there is no entry yet. The price action we have is that one. Doesn't being broken here. So we are not going to enter. Unless if it came and candle and close here. I tell you those things thousands of times. So till it's breaking here, that's the right time for us to enter. If it doesn't, us we are not going to enter. And remember my word, us we are not going to enter unless if it's breaking here, guys. So it's still early for us. It might that one just a drop to showing you going up. Then after that it's going to drop. And as I tell it to you, the last defense us we have is that one, is that supply and demand zone, guys. That one where we are here. Now either to break up or from here to fall down. So let's waiting. And like there is a saying said, the person would take everything is the passion person. So even you be passionate, don't try to rush. That is investing, not throw your money from the window. Try to invest your money slowly till the right time. Maybe we are not going to break, maybe just a trap, then after that we are going to drop down. So it's better for you to waiting down. And as I tell it to you, just collecting cash, my friend. Collecting cash now. The moment is very, very close, but not yet. We are very, very, very close, but not yet. I'm going to tell you why in the weekly candle, but now we are very close, but not yet. Try to collect as maximum cash you can. When the right time you enter, then you're going to double your money. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys, in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And here in the 4 hours, if you remember, we used to have here a double top, guys. Here, the last videos, that's what we said. It doesn't break here. It fall down till down here. Then after that, he breaking up, guys, here. Look at it. What did I told you me in the last video, guys? I told you just bring here a trend line like that. If it's breaking here, you enter long. So now is the right time for you to enter long, guys. Or if you enter now, guys, you need to put stop loss. It might from here to fall down again. And it might from here to break the 200 moving average. Then it will going up. So guys, it's the right time, but look at that candle here, what it's giving us when it came to that level. So let's see our indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. And here, guys, there is no price action indicating that also we are going to go higher. The only thing we used to have here is that channel, that one. We used to have here a channel, guys. And when it came, it touched the lower of it. It go up and it's breaking here. So now you need to make a close eye at the last high, which is here. If it's breaking higher, you are in profit. If it's not, that's the right time for you to enter long, guys. As I tell it to you and I repeat it. So let's see the coming days what is going to break. Here in the 4 hours me I'm talking. Take profit, it needs to be here at that place, and I'm going to come back tomorrow to you by a new video. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So as you see from here till where we go, not a very nice profit, guys, but it's still more going up. I think till here, till that zone here, everything is too clear here, guys. Let's see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, we be in here at the oversold area. Now here he came up, he breaking for us that wall us we have here in the middle, and here now it's showing like it's going to come down. You wait in the next candle how it's going to react to you, guys. If it give you a continuation pattern, you enter more long, and if you remember what me I told you here, when it's breaking here, well, that you enter is the same thing like the chart. Everything is too clear here. Let's go to see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go now and smash in the like button. Helping us. You done it? Write with it a comment, please. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. It's our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. That one, if you remember what else we said here when we used to be here, we said we are here at the oversold area. And we said the only price action we have here is that down channel. We show it to you. That one. And when it's broken here, at the right time for you to enter, guys, take profit. It needs to be here at that level here. And another thing we have here what we said, here we have like that, and we said like that, that's a triangle, guys. So it's need to come to breaking for you here. If it doesn't break in here, don't try to enter, because that one I haven't seen it in the previous video. So it's still a little bit early here, and that one is going to break for you the 200 moving average. So wait until it's breaking the 200 moving average. If you enter here, take profit, it needs to be here at 25k, guys. Yeah, no, it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit. I think everything is too clear. Look at it from here. From that one, and that one. You connecting those dots, guys, like that. Then you came down here. You draw in like that a triangle. You wait in that one to be broken here, and it's going to break for you even the 200 moving average, the simple one. When it's breaking here, you enter long, take profit of you. It needs to be here at the last high at 25k, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys, in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, the same thing. What did I told you here? I told you used to have here a channel like that. When it's breaking here is the right time for you to enter. Now in that level, let's see our indicators, what it's saying. If you are at the overbought or at the oversold, our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's very close to the overbought, and the level you are in a very stronger level as you see it here. Look at it here. The one you came to it like that, you are in it again. The price action, let's zoom it a little bit like that, and we see it. If we got any price action here, what is it? The price action you have here, guys, is a very small one. But if you zoom it higher, it's going to look very close. And those was their 30 minutes, guys. As you see, it give you there a triangle. So now if it's breaking down, you enter short here in 30 minutes, and you wait in another price action for you to enter long. If it go up and breaking up, that's when it's going to go higher, guys, here in 30 minutes. But don't enter long. Enter long, it be in here, at that level here, when it's breaking here. Now is the right time for you to take some profit here in 30 minutes. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for the today video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.